Welcome back, session 31. Hopefully you're enjoying your weekend. We'll just dive right in here. In today's tutorial, we'll talk about paper trades. So what are paper trades and how can it benefit you as a stock investor and that type of thing? We'll go over that information in today's segment. Paper trades are like real trades without the risk because there's no money involved. And that's essentially all it is. I wouldn't do a paper trade on the weekend. I would do it on an actual trading day because that way it'll be as realistic as possible. And that's the goal, right? You want to learn without the risk. But just for this tutorial, we'll just go ahead and make a paper trade so you can see what it's all about and get a greater understanding for that. So right here, and by the way, if you're new to the channel, what we do, this is just a log we set up on Google Sheets. And every day we go ahead and we log our different stocks that we research via Finviz or other sources. And then we put it on the watch list for further evaluation. And this is all part of our tutorials and what we go through. Paper trades is today's session. So we'll pretend like we're going to buy IIPR at the market price 93.21. So we'll go here and we'll go shares acquired. And we'll just say 50 is what we're going to buy in at. So here and then that times 93.12. And that's your cost. Okay. And then what we'll do on this column is we want a profit, right? Profit slash loss. Hate to say that, but just for realism. So basically that will be your 50 shares that you bought and then multiplied by the market price. I put 93.12 versus 20, but good. Then we already made a little profit. But anyways, if it goes up a little bit to 20 cents, then we made some money, profit loss. So that's what I should do here. We'll call this cost. That way, okay. And then here we'll put your profit slash loss. So here we'll go equals, and we'll go this minus this. Boom. So good. We're already in the black, 450. But what's cool about this is you can come back and then on Monday, you can see throughout the day if you gain money or you lost money. And then you want to ask yourself, does the stock have a dividend? And this one does. So why is that meaningful? Well, because then we can set up the dividends. And we can go right in it like this, and using stock analysis, we can type in IIPR here. And it's really just easy. I mean, it's nothing too complicated at all. The progress is in the legwork, setting this up and then staying with it long term, and then setting up goals. And we can get all into that as well really easily. So basically IIPR, $1.82, and they paid January 12th. So January 12th, they're going to give $1.82 a share. So we can put that information down. So we can go $1.82, and then we can put January 12th. So we already got paid on this, well, if we bought it before that date. So how I would do it going forward is I would look at last year. So last year they paid April, after that they paid April 14th. So that would be something that I would mark down. So April 14th, because we're already into it. April 14th. So April 14th, they'll pay us $1.82. And then we can add another column to the left, and we can go equals, and then the shares that we acquired. And then we'll multiply times this number, and boom. So on April 14th, if that's the payout date this year, we're going to receive $91. And if you reinvest your dividends, which I would highly recommend, then this is automated. So this $91 goes back into the stock price. So let's pretend if the stock goes down to $91 on that dividend pay date, then essentially you pick up a whole share. So instead of 50 shares, now you get 51. But think if that was done every quarter for the next 5 years. Those are free shares that are accumulated, and that's how you gain wealth in a quality company that it inclines, it continues to go up and it expands and increases their bottom line. You'll feel it over time. So your assets essentially buy more assets automatically, while you just sit there and watch it happen, ideally. So, so yes, this is a great world of stock investing, and you can get a great taste of it just doing paper trades. And I do highly recommend paper trades to start out. It really gives you training wheels to enter the market and really understand how dividends work, understand how buying and selling works. And like I said, throughout the day now, Monday, you can go back and just look at this column on the end and see if you made money or not. So throughout the day, you'll be able to tell that and gain information on dividends. You can have this reinvested, and then you can really set up your books and your outlook and your goals accordingly. Thank you for tuning in today's session. Hopefully this helps, and we'll go on Sunday and go back and add some more fields. Like I said, this is like our canvas, and this is a painting, and we just have to fill in the details of some of these stocks and figure out their story. So as investors, we can make a determination if we want to invest them in or not. Have a great day. Thank you for joining us. Bye.